Phil Greco puts on an apron and gets to work in his West Hazleton shop. He practices an uncommon craft of shoe repair while honoring a family tradition. His grandfather started the business around 1930 after apprenticing as a teenager with a cobbler on Alta Street, and went on to teach his own family, including Phil. While many things today are tossed into garbage bins when they pass their prime, there's a chance Phil can revive them, give them a new life, and a new soul. You can find Phil at his shop with his father or his son, Tuesday through Friday, 12 p.m. to 4:30 p.m., and Saturday, 9 a.m. to 12 p.m.